This is Crystal, and we're using columns and making them run on from one page to another. So yep, with columns, you can actually have newspaper-like columns, and you can have them go from one page to another in Microsoft Word. Selection is the most important thing. So here I am in this multiple page document, and I'm just going to change the zoom just a touch so you can see how many pages and see how many columns there are in this document. So I don't want the first paragraph to have a column. I want actually from the second paragraph and maybe beyond to this second page to have columns. So notice how I'm selecting. If I go to the Page Layout tab, and then here in the Page Setup in the Columns icon, I have my choice. Now I want newspaper-like columns that are 2, but see how I can say 3. I can even change the spacing. I'm going to say 2. And automatically, there I go. Here's my columns on page 1, and then there's a little bit on page 2 also. Now, just like a newspaper, if I go to the end of this column, it continues on the column on this same page. And this one, this is wonderful because it actually splits a paragraph and it goes to the second page. In my ruler, I can see very clearly that there's 2 columns here. So there you go, having your columns going from one page to another in Microsoft Word. This is Crystal. See you soon.